Alright, it's April 25th, Saturday. It's a bit cloudy today. It's supposed to burn off though, but we'll see. But we're going out, Crescent City again, Crescent Lake. Jeff's helping some guy back his boat in. But we're going out here in a really, really clean boat. Look at this puppy. Look how clean this thing is. Look how clean this thing is. You can't even imagine how filthy dirty this was, but we're going to try to have some fun today.
That's it. Get the first one count.
Right, there's one.
Good shot.
How on earth did I ever see him? There's no. Look at the size of that thing. That is just pretty hard.
1, 2, 3.
I got Jeff a new bow, so he's still learning it. There we go. What? He got off? Oh, for heaven's sakes. What are the chances? I'm going to show you this. What are the chances this is going to hold? And I've already pushed it down.
Epoxies. It should.
Okay. Got off. Hey, how can that be? Back me up. Thank you. Oh, I got a catfish. Oh, there he goes. Bowfin.
Nice shot.
We're at Crescent Lake down in the cove. It's pretty dark. The sun doesn't want to shine for us. This and that and the other thing. We've got 5 in the barrel, but it's not looking too good. So, whoa! Oh, okay. Is that rain? Yeah, there was one in there. Good job. So he was down in the middle of the hole.
Yep,
Was it a big one?
yeah, no.
I think they're mullets. Hey, I got an underlay fish. How about that?
Not bad. One mullet. 1,
Both.
2, 3.
I think I got mine.
Oh, this mine is right here.
Yeah. He's not in any hurry. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Sorry, you didn't shoot.
I didn't see the second.
Oh, go. Barely. I see a gar too, but
Nice shoot.
wow. Yeah, okay. He's off. That's a big one. Nope. Jeff's doing the old Pennsylvania cut them off at the pass thing. He's making a circle trying to drive them to me so I can miss them. See him over there in the tree? Did you see anything? Oh, for heaven's sakes. It just lets you walk up to it. Bowfin number 3 today. Yes, it was. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's a bowfin. It's another stupid bowfin. That's the bowfin I just shot.
Oh, really?
Cigar. Okay. I would have hated to have had you shoot the same bowfin. It is a gar, right? Oh, he got off. Come on. No, 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 no. Oh. Nice backup. Get it off before it spins itself. Yeah. He got off too. Garces. Here comes another one. Okay. I don't need to. There goes one right there. And he got off. Yeah, I love my arrow. I just love this arrow.
Oh, man. Nice fish. Nice shot.
Holy cow. Sweetie, she's huge. I mean, she's the biggest Florida I've ever seen. Look at this. I didn't shoot the little tiny one. Look at that needle nose. Hey, that's a needle nose. Oh. I'm so sorry. He got away off the rag.
There's 2 on.
I've eliminated the competition. Until something got in range, either on your left or your right. I think we got off the lake just in time. It's really windy. We got 26 Florida in the boat, 1 needle nose. We got what, 4 bowfin today?
Yeah.
2 tilapia. What else did we get? Oh, we got a catfish that took my arrow or got off.